Welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. Today we are going to see CBSE Class 8 Maths Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities. Now we will see basic concepts. After that we will pass on to exercise 8.2. Suppose the last year the price of the mobile will be equal to mobile price will be equal to 25,000. Okay, and then this year the price increased in 20%. Okay, 20% of the price will be increased this year. Now we have to calculate the new price. Okay, now we have to calculate the new price. How will you calculate the new price? That is your increase amount we have to calculate first. Okay, isn't it? So increased amount we have to calculate. How will you calculate increased amount? 20% of how much rupees? 25,000 rupees. So from out of 25,000 rupees, 20% is increased. So out of 25,000, 20% is increased. So you have to write 20% of 25,000. So 20 divided by 100 into 25,000 you have to write. These two zeros get cancelled and 2 into 25 you have a 50 and 2 zeros you have to write. So increased amount will be equal to 5,000 rupees. So how will you calculate the new price after increasing 20% of the amount? Total amount is, that is 25,000. You have to add increased amount, you have to add it. So new price will be 30,000. Okay, new price will be 30,000. And suppose this year the price will be decreased same 20%. Okay, decreased the same 20%. Then how will you calculate decreased amount? Decreased amount is also calculated using this 20% of 25,000, isn't it? So this just now we calculated, that is 5,000 rupees. So new price, okay, new price, since it is decreased, so new price is obtained by subtracting the original price. So subtracting the last year price, that will be equal to 20,000. So the price of the mobile will be equal to 20,000. So if it is decreased, then you have to subtract the decreased amount from the price. If it is increased, then you have to add the increased amount from the price. Okay, that is the increase and decrease percentage. Okay, next we will see discount. Next we will see the topic discount. What is discount? We will see now. Discount is the reduction given to the marked price. Okay, discount is reduction. What is discount? Discount is reduction given to marked price. Okay, marked price. Discount is reduction given to marked price. We call this to be MP. Okay, for what purpose the discount is given? In order to attract the customer or promote the goods. Okay, in order to, when discount is given, we will buy more things, isn't it? So in order to attract the customers, the discount will be given, or to promote the new things also discount is given. So reduction given to the market price is your discount. How you can calculate the discount is, suppose one item, okay, suppose you are buying an item with rupees 200 rupees, okay, and discount for this item will be equal to 20%. Okay, you are buying some item worth rupees 200. Okay, and for that item the discount is given to be 20%. So how will you calculate the discount amount? How will you calculate discount amount? 20% of 200 rupees, isn't it? 20% of 200 rupees. So 20 divided by 100 into 200. These two terms get cancelled. So 40 rupees. So how much discount you get? 40 rupees. This is given in percentage. We calculate the discount amount here. Okay, discount amount we are calculating, that is 40 rupees, which is given in percentage. We are calculating the amount this way. Okay, so 40 rupees discount is given. So what is your sales price then? Sales price is, what is your sales price? Sales price will be equal to your market price is 200 rupees, isn't it? That is, market price of the item is 200 rupees. Then from this the discount will be subtracted. Okay, 40 rupees, the discount will be subtracted. So 160 rupees is your new price. Okay, new price, that is our sale price. We call this price to be sale price. Okay, we call this to be sale price. So so this is our sale price is 160 rupees, and this is your price, this 200 rupees is called your market price. Okay, this 200 rupees is called your market price. So how will you obtain the discount then? Discount formula will be equal to, discount is obtained by market price minus sale price. Okay, market price minus sale price. This is your discount. Discount will be equal to market price minus sale price. Okay, so this is the way you have to calculate the amount of discount. This amount of discount. Okay, next we will calculate the estimation in percentage. Estimation in percentage. Next topic is estimation in percentage. Estimation in percentage. Suppose you are buying something in a supermarket, okay, and your bill will be equal to 677.60 rupees. Okay, your bill in the supermarket. After buying all the things, you obtain your bill is 677.60 rupees. Okay, and the shopkeeper give you 10% discount to this amount. Okay, the shopkeeper give you 10% discount. Okay, 10% discount. Okay, then how will you get your, how much amount you have to pay then? How much amount is your estimation? How much amount you have to pay? That we had to calculate. So for that you have to round off this rupees. Okay, so when you rounding off, this will be 678 rupees. How much discount is given? 10% discount is given. Okay, 10% discount is given. So this terms get cancelled, and here you have to take this to be, so what is the amount you get? With the here 10 you have to put this, isn't it? 67.8 or approximately 68 rupees will be 68 rupees will be discount. Okay, 68 rupees will be discount in your original price. So you have to pay to, after discount you have to pay 678 minus 68, 610 rupees you have to pay. Okay, 610 rupees you have to pay. This is the way you have to calculate the pay from percentages given. Okay, this is the estimation of percentages. And suppose instead of 10%, discount is 50%. Okay, discount is 15%. In that case, you have to and 10% discount will be 68, and 5%, then you have to take the half of this amount to get the 50% discount. So half of the amount of 68 will be equal to, here you have 3 times and this is 4 times, so 34 rupees. Okay, so total 15% discount is given, this is 5% discount, and the total 15% discount is given. So we have to pay, and the amount you reduced will be 68 plus 34. The amount reduced will be 68 plus 34. So in that case, 8 plus 4 you have a 12, remaining 1, and 4 plus 6 is 10. 102 rupees is reduced. So reduction is 102 rupees. So you have to pay from 678, you have to subtract 102 rupees. Okay, so here see 8 minus 2 6, and 7 here, 6 minus 1, you have to pay 576 rupees if the shopkeeper gave 15% reduction. Okay, now next topic will be prices related to buying or selling. Price. Okay, prices related to buying or selling rupees. Okay, suppose you are buying an item rupees worth 10. Okay, suppose you are buying an item with rupees 10, worth 10 rupees. Okay, and then you sell this rupees, you sell this item with rupees 20. Okay, so this you sell the same item with 20 without any modification. Okay, so how much profit you get? How much profit you get? Tell me how much profit you get. That is, you're buying 10. You're buying the item at 10 rupees and you sell it to 20 rupees. So you give extra 10 rupees. The extra 10 rupees you get the selling price. Okay, isn't it? So you get profit of 100%. You will get a profit of 100%. Okay, suppose for the same item, okay, you are buying this item with 10 rupees. After that you are spending this 4 rupees. Okay, you spend 4 rupees for decoration and all. Okay, 4 rupees for decoration and all. Okay, so how much amount you have to spend for this? 10 plus 4, which is 14 rupees. Okay, so this is expenditure you have is 14 rupees. This is your expenditure, isn't it? Expenditure is 14 rupees. Expenditure is 14 rupees. Then what is your profit then? Your profit will be equal to this 6 rupees, isn't it? Profit will be equal to 6 rupees because you are selling the same price with 20 rupees. But before selling 20 rupees, you spend 14 rupees. For decoration and all, you spend 4 rupees. So you buy the same item with 10 rupees and you use 4 rupees for decoration. So totally you have 14 rupees you spend. So your expenditure is 14 rupees now. For this item, your expenditure is 14 rupees. And after that, you sell that item to be 20 rupees. So what is your profit? 6 rupees. Okay, profit will be 6 rupees. Then how will you calculate this percentage then? Percentage will be obtained by this 6 rupees divided by 14 rupees, okay, into 100. 6 rupees divided by 14 rupees into 100. This is the way you have to calculate it. This is 7 times and this is 50 times. Okay, 7 times 2 is 14 and 50 times 2 is 100, and here you have 7 sevens are 49 and 10 is there, 1 sevens are 7, so nearly 42 rupees. So 42.1 percentage you will get a profit. 42.1 percentage. Without decoration and all you sell it, you get 100% profit. But suppose you spend 4 rupees for decoration and all, then your profit will be only 42%. Okay, so you have to make some additional expenses after buying the thing. You are doing some additional expenses before selling it, isn't it? Before selling it, suppose you are doing some additional expenses. These expenses have to be included in the cost price. Okay, this is your cost price. So this expenses, you have to include this expenses. You have to include this 4 rupees in the cost price. Okay, so you have to include that in the cost price. So, and these expenses are called overhead charges. Okay, these expenses are called overhead charges. Okay, these are called the overhead charges, and this may be include that is your for repair you can spend amount. Okay, repair you can spend amount after buying something. For repair you can spend amount. Okay, and labor charge also you have, isn't it? Labor you have to give some amount, that also you have to include. And also for transport also you have to include. For transportation and all you have to spend some amount, isn't it? So for transport to just suppose you are buying an item from somewhere, some places, then you have to buy transport also. And labor charges also you have to give. And some repair is there, that is also you have to spend, isn't it? So you have to include all the charges in your cost price. Okay, you have to include all the charges in your cost price before you sell that item. Okay, before you sell that item you have to include all the overhead charges, overhead charges. Okay, now we will see how to find the percentage, selling price, cost price, and profit loss percentage. Okay, how to find the profit and loss percentage. Cost price. Next topic is cost price or selling price. Okay, and profit percentage, how to calculate profit percentage and or loss percentage. We will see now. Okay, suppose your cost price will be equal to, suppose your cost price will be equal to cost price. Your cost price will be equal to 2000 rupees. We denote this to be CP. Okay, cost price will be equal to CP. That will be equal to, cost price will be equal to 2000 rupees. This will include all overhead charges. Okay, this include all overhead charges. Whenever you are speaking about cost price, that will include all overhead charges. Okay. Then suppose you sell this item. Okay, cost price is 2000 rupees. Suppose you sell that item, that sale price will be equal to 2500. Okay, here sale price, as we sale price be SP, we denote it to be SP. SP is greater than CP. Okay, SP is greater than CP. In that case you will get a profit. Okay, in this case you will get a profit. Okay, and for the same thing your cost price will be equal to 2000 and your selling price will be equal to 1700. Suppose you get 1700, then here the selling price is less than cost price. In that case you get loss. Okay, in that case you get loss because you are spending some item for your some amount for your item. Okay, for amount for your item after buying it. And if you sell the same item with the 1700 rupees, then the loss will be 300 rupees, isn't it? 2000 loss will be equal to 2000 minus 1700, that will be 300 rupees is your loss. And in the same way, suppose you are buying the your some item with 2000 rupees, including all the overhead charges, you sell the same price with 2500, then you get a profit. Okay, you get profit. So what is your profit? Profit amount will be equal to 2500 minus 2000, which will be equal to 500 rupees. Okay, profit will be equal to 500 rupees. Now we have to calculate profit percentage. profit percentage. Profit percentage will be equal to profit divided by selling price into 100. Okay, and in the same way, how will you calculate loss percentage? Loss percentage will be equal to loss divided by selling price into 100. Okay, loss divided by selling price into 100, that is the percentage loss percentage formula, and this is the profit percentage formula. For this, how will you calculate profit percentage? 500 divided by selling price of this will be 2000 rupees into 100. So these two terms get cancelled, and here you have this. So 50 rupees, 50 percentage is your profit. 50 percentage is your profit. Sorry, here you have to calculate this to 25 times 2 now. So you have 25 percentage your profit. 25 percentage is your profit. In the same way, here what is the loss percentage? Loss amount 300 divided by selling prices 2000 into 100. These two terms get cancelled and these zeros get cancelled, and 1 time 15 times. So 15 percentage is your loss. 15 percentage is your loss. This is the way you have to calculate loss and profit percentages. Okay, next we have to calculate some VAT. What is VAT? VAT and VAT is value added tax. Value added tax. That is value added tax. And suppose in sales tax, suppose you're at sales tax. What is sales tax? Sales tax and VAT are, you have to add this in the selling price, where VAT and sales tax are, you have to include this in the selling price. Okay, you have to add these values in the selling price, then only you get a profit. Okay, so VAT, sales tax, all the things should be added in the selling price. Added in the selling price. That's all for this video. Next video we will see the exercise 8.2 problems. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.